Look what we have over here. Ooh. An old elevator. Not just any old one. Pull the rope. That's right. Let's get going. Look, you can see the interlock. Cool. Whoa, I almost stumbled back. Almost tripped over that cart there. Anyway, let's pull the rope. So pull this one down. Jesus. I'm gonna push these up. I have a better leverage on those ball bits. Make sure I got it. There we go. This rope's a little tangled. What the heck? It's like getting wrapped around. Huh. Anyway. And guess what? The stopper doesn't work. They have it zip tied. But look, it is a Rosenberg elevator. I don't think these actually work to stop the elevator. We'll put it out and see. So let's try this thing. No, they don't. All right, well, we'll stop it at 7 then. We'll just stop it by hand. All right. Damn, that's actually pretty close. Anyway, watch how these doors work. So you pull this one back, and that undoes the, you pull it, and look. It's 2-speed, but it opens from the top, so look, we got this dual counterweight action here. Pretty cool. Close it up. Pretty good door there. Oh look, I see how it works. Chain goes up, wraps around, 2 to 1 around that door, so it's the same chain. Interesting. I think we need to shift this out of the way. Lock it. All right, back down we go. Make sure we're going. Cool. And we'll demonstrate the stop. All right, that's to stop it. Or the, geez, you really gotta pull this one. Takes some force to get it. Huh. Well, I guess it got caught on these and stopped at the 5th floor. But we are not going to the 5th floor, so continue. Sounds like the motor almost speeds up after a second. Not by much, just... So I think it's like catching each floor now or something. Okay, well, let's undo that. Maybe it works on the way down. Let's see here. Let's see if it works on the way down. Yes, it does. Barely. Light switch? Yeah. Here's just random cleaning supplies. Ew, there's the cookie unclogger. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. And it'll stop on its own at the lower level because it's got the big balls on board that catch. Big balls. Very mature. Can't see. See? There's these things to stop the elevator once it gets to the bottom. Now we open the door back up. We leave how we found it. You know, gotta be respectful.